What's up, guys? So we're at Aaron's, and today is another fun time gift day with Aaron.
I need to get a set of mechanic doors, man.
Aaron, it's fun time gift day with Aaron.
Oh, bar set. Look at that.
And they're red.
They are red.
I bought you red. You're getting red everything, sir. I'll just put them here to go with all the other red kits. Pry bars?
No, about the dent pullers.
Oh, they're pointless, but they're really fun and red. Everything has to be red.
I guess. These are kind of cool. I mean, that'll help us pry on a car at some point.
Let's see how well they work. I mean, I don't know if they are the best. They
They're
felt
hard steel,
good.
half-inch.
Just, you know, you never know.
You can at least beat on it with a hammer.
You like beating on it.
With a hammer.
With a hammer!
Fatality.
What do you have to say over here, Mr. Cleaning Your
It
Wheels?
says you can pound it with a hammer just in case you need some extra fork, you know?
Just a little bit. Sam, why is your car so clean?
Dude, my car hasn't been cleaned. You don't understand. Aaron and I washed it like 3 times. Well,
Mostly civil.
Aaron watched me, but he did my engine.
Car looks very clean, sir.
You want to see the
That is
engine?
engine. I did the windows.
I don't care about your engine. Yeah, let me see the engine.
Never mind who you thought I was. I'm Rick James, bitch.
Why would I walk on the man's couch? But I do remember walking on the man's couch. I see what's going on here. You're selling the car. That's what's happening. Fancy man.
Don't you ever question my veracity.
Oh my goodness, I love this question. I think
My veracity. So, fun time gift day with Aaron. Success? Come on, Aaron, not all of them are successes. Most of them are not successes.
I mean, there haven't been too many successes as of yet. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Hey, the jack,
Yeah, the jack's
the
cool.
ratchet. So far.
Oh yeah, I mean, as far as gifts are concerned,